If you're tired of constantly scooping your cat's litter box, or you're just looking for a way to make your life a little easier as a cat parent, then you might be wondering if the Litter Robot 4 is worth the investment. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be getting into the Litter Robot 4. We'll be covering everything that you need to know, including how it works, the pros and cons, its price, and of course my personal experience after using it with my two cats, Casey and Chloe, for the last 4 months. Spoiler alert, they love it, and it's definitely made my life so much easier too. And if at any point you're thinking about trying out the Litter Robot 4 for yourself, I've got an affiliate link down in the description that might help you save a little bit on your purchase. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Now, if you haven't heard of the Litter Robot 4 yet, it's an automatic self-cleaning litter box that's designed to make life easier for cat owners, and has come a long way since its original launch back in 2000 under the name Autopets. The company has since rebranded as Whisker. The Litter Robot 4, which was released in 2022, is the latest model in a series of upgrades they've brought over the years. Okay, so the way it actually works is pretty straightforward. You basically get a self-cleaning litter box that does all the dirty work for you, literally. Once your cat uses it, the litter robot waits for a short amount of time. You can actually set this through the app, and then it automatically starts a cleaning cycle. The globe inside rotates, separating the dirty clumps from the clean litter. The dirty clumps go into the drawer underneath the unit, which you only have to empty out every few days, depending on how many cats you have. What's cool is that the Litter Robot 4 has smart features. For example, it uses sensors to detect when your cat enters and exits the litter box, and it even tracks their weight and how often they use it. You can keep an eye on all of this through the Whisker app, which is super easy to use. The app also sends you notifications when the waste drawer is full. All you need to do is just change out the liner and put in a new one. It's that easy. And you also get alerts when the litter level is getting low, so you know when it's time to change things out. Another big plus is that it really helps with odor control. There's a carbon filter in the waste drawer to trap any smells, and because the waste is separated from the clean litter right away, it keeps things fresher for longer. For me, it's been such a time saver, especially with my two cats, Casey and Chloe, and we both love it, and I don't have to do much. That said, the Litter Robot 4 is priced at $699, but you also have the option to finance it with Affirm starting at around $44 per month if you opt for the 18-month payment plan. This gives you a bit more flexibility if you prefer separating the cost out over time rather than paying up front. Besides that, with this price, it includes free shipping, and you'll receive your Litter Robot 4 within 1 to 3 days, depending on your location. It comes in 2 colors, black or white. Now there's also the option to extend the warranty for longer than the included 1-year protection. You can add a 3-year warranty for an extra $100, which might be worth it for some extra peace of mind. This covers any repairs or replacements if your unit runs into any issues. And again, if you're thinking of giving it a try, you can check out the affiliate link in the description below. It won't cost you anything extra, and you might even be able to grab a discount. So after using the Litter Robot 4 for the past 4 months with my two cats, Casey and Chloe, I have to say it's been a real game changer. At first, I wasn't sure how they would react, but they adapted actually pretty quickly, and now it's just a part of their routine. The biggest benefit for me has been how much time I've saved. No more daily scooping or worrying about odors. The app is also super handy, giving me notifications when the waste drawer is full or the litter needs refilling, which makes maintenance a lot easier. One thing I've really noticed is that it doesn't smell anymore right when I walk into the house. The carbon filter in the waste drawer does a great job at keeping smells in check, which was something I wasn't sure about at first. And because the waste gets separated right away, it feels like the litter lasts longer between full changes. Another point I want to mention, especially if you're pregnant or planning to be, is that you're advised to avoid cleaning litter boxes due to the risk of toxoplasmosis. But with the Litter Robot, it's a lot better because it handles all the dirty work for you. You just empty the waste drawer when it's full, but if you can, you should have someone else do it, like your husband, kids, or cleaner. But just keep in mind that some cats might take a little time to get used to the Litter Robot, especially if they've never encountered an automatic system before. But with a bit of patience, most cats will adapt within a week or two, and even sooner. Also, the cleaning cycle can produce a bit of noise, but it's generally very quiet, and after a few uses, you'll get used to it. And the unit is just a bit larger than a regular litter box, but it's designed that way to comfortably accommodate cats of all sizes. So if you have the space, it's definitely worth it for the convenience. All in all, it's made taking care of Casey and Chloe much easier, and I'd definitely say say it's worth the investment if you're looking for something that could handle multiple cats easily. So that about wraps up my review of the Litter Robot 4, and based on my personal experience with Casey and Chloe, I can honestly say that this automatic litter box has been a game changer for me as a cat owner. Not having to scoop daily, the reduced odor, and the ease of managing everything through the app has made my life so much simpler. On top of that, the smart features like weight tracking and waste notifications bring an extra level of control and peace of mind, especially for busy pet parents or those with multiple cats. So if you're a cat owner looking for a reliable, hassle-free way to manage your litter box, I'd recommend giving the Litter Robot 4 a try. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this review helpful, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this one. And just to reiterate one more time, if you're thinking of giving it a try, check out the affiliate link in the description below. It won't cost you anything extra, and you might even be able to grab an extra discount. And as always, feel free to comment any questions or comments you might have in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.